Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some rainbow pancakes. I saw them on SISIYEMMIE's channel and I'm going to show you how I did mine today. Trust me, it is really amazing. We are just going to go right into it. All the ingredients used to be in the description box. So I'm going to break one egg. I usually use just one egg for most of my pancakes. I never make for more than 2 to 3 people, so that's it, just one egg. And baking powder, not bicarbonate soda or baking powder. I had salt, which is optional if you want. Then I had sugar. I added just 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we mix again. Then I add my milk, and if you don't have any milk, you can actually substitute water for the milk. It doesn't matter. The milk might just make it more creamier, more fancy, but really water sometimes is even actually better. But either ways, you are still on track. As you can see now, I'm adding the flour through the sift so we don't have lumps, and we just add it gradually and mix as we do that. So basically, if you want your pancake to be like very flat, you don't add too much flour so it's like kind of runny, like watery. But if you add more flour, your pancake mixture is a bit thick and it is a not so flat pancake. I'm going to add the vanilla essence. I try not to add too much because if it's too much, it tastes somehow and you're not going to like it. And now to go to the interesting part of it, really adding the color to the pancake. So basically, if you are going to add the colors to the bowl first, then we add the mixture to it. Actually, I have just 5 colors in this video, and of course, just like we do in primary school, if you want to mix the color to get another color, to get secondary colors, you can mix 2 colors to get another color. Or maybe you want to make your blue lighter, you can add a bit of yellow and it's become a light blue. You understand what I mean? So then I start adding the mixture bit by bit to each one. So it's better to use small amount of color than to use too much. If you use too much, how do you remove it? But if it is small, if you see that I need more color, I want it to be more brighter, I want it to be more darker, you can just add more. So basically, that's it. Obviously, now we are just mixing in the color in the pancake mixture. So one thing that I would say is don't forget to rinse your spoon. You might get carried away, but just take water with you, put it inside water, rinse it, then move on to the next color, because by mistake someone can put red inside green and you will start making another color mistakenly. It will not be that bad. It's not that much of something noticeable, but just do it. Rinse the spoon, then continue again. If you have watched until now, thank you. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Once we are done with all the colors, now we are going to go to the fire. Put the frying pan on top of fire. I like to use small frying pans because I don't want huge pancakes, and this can minimize the shape, the size I get. So once I've added the butter stick, which you can use groundnut oil as well, I add the batter on top of it once the pan is already hot. So leave it for like 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, you can start seeing bubbles coming out. If you are on low heat, the bubble might not be so obvious, but once it's like 2 minutes, you can flip it and you see it's perfectly done. Wait for a little while. It's all done now, and you can take it away. See, bravo, all good. So I made all the colors the same way. It's not different. Oil, pan, hot, batter, flip, then move on. Really, it's really nice because it's like a lot of colors, especially when you have children. Children like colors. They want to see, even if they are not hungry, they'll be attracted and be like, oh, color, I want to eat it. So even me, even though I'm old cargo, I don't want to eat boring food too. I want to be having colorful food that would attract me, food that I want to eat. So it's not a big deal. Make colorful pancakes for yourselves and enjoy. that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I'm showing you what it looks like now. It is so amazing. You can eat it with your anything you want. Eat it like that, eat it with honey, eat it with maple syrup. But here I used yogurt, hot pancake, cold yogurt. It is unbelievable, but it tastes amazing. Thank you so much for watching. And I added these sprinkles. You can get the sprinkles anywhere. These sprinkles came with my own yogurt. Thank you for watching this video. I love you. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.